Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will explain how to see deleted messages in the Discord mobile app. But first, the truth is, Discord doesn't allow users to view deleted messages once they are gone. If someone deleted a message in a server or DM, it disappears permanently. Neither you or nor Discord staff can recover it from the app directly. This is done for privacy and security reasons. When someone deletes their message, completely removed from Discord system, so there is no trash bin or history to view old or deleted messages. However, some server admins use third-party bots like Dinobot or Loggerbot to lock messages. These bots can record messages before they are deleted, but they must be set up in an advance. If you are not the server owner or admin, you won't be able to see logs unless they share it. If you are in a server and you think a deleted message was important or suspicious, you can ask a moderator or admin if they have message logging turned on. They may be able to check it for you, but only if logging was set up before the message was deleted. But be careful of apps or websites that claim to recover deleted message. Most of them are unsafe and may try to steal your account info. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.